Was so ruthless. Then he found Pastor Ruth. Pastor Ruth Solero also is pastoring beside him, and they have one daughter, Bibi, who is also planting and pastoring in Alaska. He has a heart for church planting and discipleship, inspiring many people of different generations to find their calling to serve in the ministry. He is now taking his second year of doctorate and has been serving in the ministry for more than 30 years. He is not just our leader, but also our coach and big brother. Malaki ang katawan. Let us welcome our speaker this evening, Reverend Luis Solero.